Let's go to Cayman Park now. 8-5 choice. Money Monster landed the feature I'm Satisfied trophy, a restricted allowance contest that was over 9 furlongs and 25 yards on the day. Dennis Walters was at the track and filed this report.
Despite sloppy underfoot conditions, Money Monster made every post a winning one under a ride from apprentice Ryan Lewis to hold off the fast finishing Sen City and favourite Tomahawk.
Lengths off the lead as they spin into the turn and leave the half mile. XY Soul Tomahawk now shaken for run. Colbert 2 lengths in behind them. A break back to Old Wharf on the outside of High Diplomacy. Then Sen City needing to find a huge margin along with the rest. Pharaoh it is making ground. Better Best left and My Time now at the back as they leave the 3 and arrive at the 5/16. They're about to come into the lane and Money Monster has the lead and looking strong. Tomahawk now asked to attack on the outside under the stick, but it's a Money Monster in the slop, leaving the quarter pole behind. Tomahawk now trying to get to the leader, Money Monster. They run to the furlong pole and Money Monster continues to respond to the handling of the rider. A furlong to run. It is a Money Monster out in front under Ryan Lewis, and Money Monster leaves the 16th pole with a clear lead. This is the I'm Satisfied trophy. Sen City chasing, they're all chasing but in vain. Money Monster wins the I'm Satisfied over Sen City, Tomahawk, Colbert and My Time now.
Money Monster won by 3/4 lengths in 1 minute 57 flat, and the trainer Fitzroy Gillespie said after getting over some issues, this victory for the 3-year-old Bay Gelding was timely.
He's coming off a 4 months break because he was training, prior to the COVID, and he got some setback, and he ran a brave race the other day, second, and so we expected him to win today, and he did.
What sort of setbacks he had?
Well, he had tendon and suspensive problem.
Meanwhile, speedster Patriarch did not let a steady downpour stop him as he too led from gate to wire in the open allowance contest going over 5.5 furlongs.
At the 3, can they catch the fleet-footed Patriarch in the rain and the muddy conditions? Patriarch out in front by 2 lengths. Chase the Great and Father Patrick now beginning the pursuit as they come into the lane, and it's Patriarch at the top of it, stepping off toward the center. Chase the Great gets the run right against the fence. As they run toward the 3/16, Patriarch continues to hold the lead, but Chase the Great now applying pressure on the inside rail, bogged down a bit, this Chase the Great, and could have had a mishap against the fence, and this has allowed Patriarch to reclaim that lead. It's Patriarch out in front, asked to close up on the outside, Father Patrick, but it is Patriarch fleet-footed arriving at the wire. Patriarch wins it. Father Patrick second, Prince Charles third, could be Universal Boss fourth.
The even money favourite won in a very fast 1 minute 5 4/5 by a length. I am Denise Walters reporting from Cayman Park for TVJ Sports.